how to delete apps from iCloud. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to delete apps from iCloud. If you're looking to cut back on your iCloud storage uses and reduce the size of your backups, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Open up your iPhone settings app, tap on your Apple ID. Now tap on iCloud. Now go to See All and then tap on the app that you want to delete and then tap on Manage Storage and you can see Delete from iCloud. Just tap on it and then tap on Delete from iCloud. So if you permanently delete it, it will be deleted. There you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.